Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on, the big bronze Beamer, the big bad Betty, the big bomb Bulo. I don't even know what I'm calling this car anymore. This car has given me some trouble too. It wouldn't be a Monkey Wrench Mike car if it didn't give you trouble. So, what we're gonna do today, as we prepare to get this over to the paint shop, because we are getting her painted, we are going to replace, and this is nothing major, it's no big deal. Okay, we're gonna take a look at these hoses, because when I was driving them, the radiator hose went from about this to about that. So I do need radiator hoses. We might even take the thermostat out and give that a test. But the way I have been working with these thermostats and the way I've been fighting with these thermostats, I don't know if that's going to happen. I hate thermostats.
You really have to be kidding me, right?
See all the little pistons?
Right, it looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, I just realized something. Yeah, before we can get dirty, I need more of these black rubber gloves. So I am going to go to Harbor Freight and get another box of gloves. And I realized this is the perfect time to tell you about my other passion. Take a look right there. I have become an electric bike reviewer on YouTube, and I love these bikes. I have 5 right there. I have already done a review on probably 3 others, and I have some more on the way. The one thing I have learned, because I told you about my accident where I did this great gymnastics maneuver and did a front flip over my electric bike and landed on the curb. Yeah, you need to protect the noggin. Oh, by the way, this is an electric bike right there. You have to protect your noggin, and with these speeds of these electric bikes reaching 28 miles per hour, you need a great bike helmet. So we have ourselves a new Xnito bike helmet. This thing is amazing. So I'm going to take this with me as I go to Harbor Freight, and we're going to tell you about this helmet and how it can save your life, and I'll tell you how you can actually save some money. So I thought, let's just kind of choose one that matches my helmet. We have black, we have red, we have orange, we have white, and we have almost the exact same color blue, and it's got blue and red right there in the logo right there. So that's the bike we are going to take as we put this on and go get ourselves some more gloves. This thing though is amazing. Let me tell you about it. All right, there she is. This is the Xnito, one of 7 styles that they have on their website, xnito.com. This thing is light. It weighs less than a pound. 0.83, I believe, of a pound is exactly the weight. It has a rechargeable front and rear light, which is pretty amazing, okay? Now, on the rear light right here, you have 3 different modes. You can have it flash like that. You can have it flash or solid just like this, and you can have it go like that. The reasoning behind this is because you want to cause a lot of attention to yourself. You want cars to know that you are there so they don't bump into you. And yes, the front lights are bright. They're going to help cars see you as well. So let me put this thing on and we'll take it and the bike out for a spin. But as you can see, it is lightweight, it is ventilated, it is comfortable, and most importantly to me, it looks cool. No, I'm just kidding about that. I am worried about protecting my noggin, and this thing does just that. You have more protection in the front on your temple and at the back should something go wrong and you have yourself a little accident. And it also meets Dutch standard NTA 8776, which protects riders at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. That's an 87%, I think, increase over the US requirement. And that's the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Plus, you get yourself a lifetime warranty with the Xnito helmet. Love it. I do want to mention that if you are interested in saving some money, yes, the company has given me the authority to give you a discount code. M15 will save you $15. So the helmet retails for $150, free shipping. But if you use the discount code M15, you're gonna save 15, so it's only $135 for you. I think it's worth it. All right, we are back home. We have our box of gloves right here. Size extra large, by the way. So let's change back into our grubby clothes, put our Xnito helmet away, and get our hands dirty, okay?
Making progress, okay? Mass airflow sensor, air filter, a little whatever it goes underneath has been removed, okay? So we have access now to our lower radiator hose, our upper radiator hose, and our thermostat, which lies right in there, okay? So we're gonna remove the hoses. I'm draining antifreeze, as you can see right now. It doesn't look horrible. I mean, it is green. I mean, I put a lot of green in, but I'm getting green out, so that's good. Green is better than like brown sludge. So we will remove the hoses. Hopefully the new ones fit. Par for the course if they don't, but let's just kind of see what happens. Yep, let's see. Which one do you want first? Do you want this one or this one? Let's do this one because you can see this one. Hopefully not too much will come out. We start by loosening it with the big one. And then once everything is free, we switch to the little one. Right here. And this guy doesn't want to cooperate. Okay. I can deal with that. Look, I got this one. Oh, shoot. Okay, I do want to say thanks for all of the concern, thoughts, prayers for the shoulder. It is still injured. I got to go see a specialist. It just reminds me every once in a while that, hey, I'm not healed yet, so that's okay. I don't like how this is going. Let's get some lubricant. Oh, so much better. Yep. There you go, baby. Yes. Makes all the difference in the world. Now, I don't want to break anything, so we're going to take this almost all the way out, just so nothing is bound. I don't want to break anything plastic. I don't want to buy a radiator. I'm tired of buying parts for this lovely car. She wants more. Okay. There you go. Very careful. Very careful. Okay. Why is this thing so loose too? All these little throttle pieces right here are not looking good. Maybe that's part of my problem. Oh, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, there we go. Now, well, all right. There we go. One hose removed. Let's see if it matches our new one. I'd say that's a match. And I do like my gates. I like my gates. Hoses. This one is going to work perfectly as well. So, job well done. Well, we finished just in time. That's a thunderstorm. That's a coming. Yeah. We got her all buttoned up and she looks beautiful. I just wish I had an engine cover. Yeah, I do wish I had an engine cover, but these new hoses look fantastic. Everything is fine. No leaks, no nothing. We will refill right here with the good stuff and then we'll give her a start. But we can't do it now because there's rumbles. Rumble in the jungle. The car is idling right now. We have reached operating temperature right there and we have bled the system, and I gotta tell you, I'm happy. I'm very happy with the result, okay? So this is your bleed screw right here. You kind of open it, let the air out. When it's all solid fluid coming through, then you tighten it back up. And listen to her. Listen to her. She's beautiful. She sounds really, really great, and Lola certainly agrees. So now that we fix that, we get to address all of this stuff on the top. Yeah, that's a hot mess. All of this little stuff right here in preparation for paint. So let's get all of this stuff off. I got my goo gone, and we'll get all the goo gone. Well, I got the white stuff off. There's a lot of residue left, so we're going to work on that off camera. But look, this is probably the worst paint job I've ever seen, because as I was pulling the tape up, the clear coat was coming with it. Yeah, and remember this? When I was doing the pinstripe, how I almost went down to the metal right there? Yeah, whoever painted this car, shame on you, because that's a hot, 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 hot mess. So we'll get this all cleaned off, and then we're going to have some fun. I probably won't even do it on camera. Sanding the outside. We haven't even detailed the inside yet, though. I forgot about that. Oh, look at the window. Yeah, so I got all of the sticky stuff off the window. That Goo Gone Professional in the can is the bomb. That is good stuff. So maybe we'll do a video on detailing the inside before I take it to get painted on the outside. Would you guys like to see it? Because this is something. This is really gross, and it's going to look 1,000 times better. So let me know what you think I should do. You want to see a video on detailing my free Beamer that's been fighting me every step of the way, as is that car over there. Shame on you, Mercedes. Shame on you.